Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here and welcome to outdoor, my favorite spot. Weather is very good and before it starts rain, I plan to fly the BetaFPV 95X V2, the inverted CineWhoop. Now, I don't know about the Whoop, but Insta360 Go is an amazing camera. Only thing that I wish was that the exported videos had good qualities. I mean, it shoots at good resolution, but after you export the videos, they look good only on mobile phones or smartphones, while on computers and not that good. But anyway, I have set it up in FPV mode. Now in FPV, it has a flow state stabilization, and according to my testing in FPV mode, if you put it horizontal, the whole video will flip horizontal. So Insta360, they recommend you mount it vertically so that you can record the flips and everything. The video will still be stabilized, but if you want flow state stabilization, then you just mount it horizontally, and even your quadcopter flips, the image will never flip. You can actually see the third-person view if you can mount the camera a little farther. So I plan to do that with Insta360 Go anyway. Let's fly the BetaFPV 95X V2 and see how it performs. It's running a TBS Crossfire receiver, so I have installed the TBS Crossfire micro transmitter on my Radiomaster TX16S. So I shouldn't be having problem with the control range, but no idea about the the video. Anyway, let's fly, let's have fun and see how it goes. Absolutely a very nice flight. I enjoyed it. I'm not worried about the control because the Crossfire has a lot of range on that. The only thing I was worried about the video breaking up. However, when I went all the way there, across this, in this, stadium running area, no problems with the video feed. However, when I turned the head to me, because this little antenna was behind me, I had some trouble over there, but nothing very serious. Climbed up, I got my signals back. At my right side, I'm having some trouble, some issues with the signals, but at my left side and behind, signals are just fine. To say, it was really a very fun flight. I normally test all the quads here. Now that I know the capabilities of this quad, I will bring it to another area with more obstacles and do more CineWhooping there, because I still got 1 or 2 more batteries. I got one more battery, 520 milliamp. Others are 850 milliamp, but let's see, with the lighter camera, 850 milliamp should be able to work on this. I mean, slightly running heavy, but you know, you're not gonna do aerobatics, so it should be fine. Now, how good is the video on Insta360 Go? We're gonna go home and find out. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.